it is probably nothing. Or maybe it is something. It is probably nothing that became something, but that something is probably nothing anyway. So what's the point? That's probably it. There probably isn't a point. Just a high probability that we made something that's really nothing into something. Let's face it, most of us have wondered whether everything we think is probably really something is probably really nothing. We are probably going nowhere. Just going round in a circle with a high probability of hurting. Now this is probably depressing, but it's probably true. And if this probability is true, the fact is it's still a probability for you. But then, it's still a probability. So it's probably false. The probable truth is, no one really knows. It may or may not work out, that's just the way it goes. One thing is certain, there is no such thing as the sun will probably rise in the morning. And there is nothing like you will probably age and hear your final calling. Don't waste time on probability. Because time is the point. Time is everything.